Meanwhile, hundreds of young students today marched towards Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi as protesters demanded justice for the 23-year-old gang rape victim. Well, the protests have been continuing for the 6th day now. Former Army Chief General V.K. Singh also joined the protesters at India Gate. Well, the youngsters gathered at India Gate this morning and marched through the Rajpath towards Raisina Hills, where Rashtrapati Bhavan, Prime Minister's office and Home Ministry are located. Police fired tear gas shells and used water cannons to disperse the protesters who tried to breach barricades to push towards the President's house, Rashtrapati Bhavan.
These huge swelling crowds that were headed towards Rashtrapati Bhavan at about 11:15 this morning, the police attempted to counter all that anger with water cannons, and then moments later the Delhi police resorted to a lathi charge and tear gas. Ironically, it's the people who are raising their voice for justice that are facing these brickbats instead of the brutes out on the streets, and in their rage the protesters retaliated by pelting stones at the police. They even vandalized their vans. That's the level of the anger that we're seeing out there at Vijay Chowk and on Raisina Hill. And remember, this is no longer an ignorant age. These are people who know that there are MLAs, there are MPs just kilometers from where this protest is happening in houses provided to them by the government who have rape charges against them and in all likelihood did in fact rape somebody.
That the 23-year-old's condition was somewhat better. Since then, she has been able to speak to a subdivisional magistrate. She's given a statement, and since this has been recorded by a magistrate, this means that this is now admissible in court. She talked about the December 16th incident. She's still critical, remember, but she gave as many details about the incident as she possibly could. She talked about how at around 9:30 at night, she was in Munirka in the capital. They were standing at the bus stop. They were called into the bus by one of the 6 accused, the minor boy. They were told the bus would go to Palam. They got into the bus, and after about 3 or 4 minutes inside the bus, the boy who was traveling with the 23-year-old, her friend, got rather suspicious as the bus had deviated from the route that it was supposed to have taken. Now, the accused then shut the door of the bus. They locked it. The boy objected to this. That was when the accused apparently started passing comments about how the couple were out at night alone, and that was when a scuffle started. It was at this time that the 17-year-old accused and another accused by the name of Akshay held the girl down, took her to the back of the bus after hitting her companion on the head. He was apparently unconscious for a lot of the time.
अगर आप मेरा व्यक्तिगत विचार चाहती हैं तो मैं सोचता हूं कि ये एक रेयरेस्ट ऑफ द रेयर केस है, और मेरा अपना ये मानना है कि अगर रेप में एक ऐसा कैटेगरी बनाया जाए जिसको रेयरेस्ट ऑफ द रेयर माना जाए, जैसे एक छोटी बच्ची के साथ रेप होता है या इस किस्म का इतने सारे वायलेंस के साथ रेप होता है, तो उसको रेयरेस्ट ऑफ द रेयर केस मानकर उसको और सख्त सजा मिलनी चाहिए, सिवाय इसके कि सिर्फ लाइफ सेंटेंस हो। लेकिन इस पर तो विचार होगा, पार्लियामेंट करेगी, जूरिस्ट करेंगे, हर तरह के विचार हैं। कुछ लोगों को आपको मालूम ही है, कुछ लोगों के विचार ये भी है कि कसब का हैंग होना भी गलत था। तो कैपिटल पनिशमेंट के खिलाफ भी बहुत धारणा है। एक गुट है जो नहीं चाहता कैपिटल पनिशमेंट को, और एक गुट है जो कैपिटल पनिशमेंट को चाहता है। एज ए पुलिस ऑफिसर मेरा व्यक्तिगत विचार ये है कि और सख्त सजा होनी चाहिए।
पहले इस शहर को सुरक्षित करना है लड़कियों और महिलाओं के लिए। हम और शब्द नहीं सुनना चाहते। जिन्होंने इस शहर की ये हालत बनाई है उसके खिलाफ एक्शन चाहिए। पुलिस ऑफिसर्स के खिलाफ पहले एक्शन करें। किसी की जवाबदेही प्रधानमंत्री को आना चाहिए। प्रधानमंत्री
They're our children. They're deeply hurt. They're deeply agitated. We need to be sensitive. The BJP condemns the police action outright. And also we would like to remind the senior police officers and the administration, please don't give self-certification. This gives a message of anger and arrogance both. Don't do it.
Meanwhile, the doctors treating her say she's off ventilator support and is psychologically composed. Two of the accused have been arrested in Bihar. They were brought to Delhi earlier today. One of them is a minor.
She is psychologically composed. We have used a very dignified, respectable and sensitive approach to talk to her, and she is responding well to the routine normal questions. I think at present it is too early to say, but at this moment she is extraordinarily stable, psychologically stable and optimistic and having even good future.
I am definitely not justifying the use of tear gas or water cannon, but when protesters start breaking government property, start vandalizing buses, start breaking barricades. Today also, at this very moment also, people are gathered at India Gate in a peaceful way. Nobody is talking anything to them. There are some people who are trying to make it into an unruly kind of mob, which will actually defeat the purpose of this whole gathering that the youth of this city want to do.
From the government side, whether it is Government of India or the Government of Delhi, they have taken all possible steps for the purpose of taking the case to the logical conclusion. To control the law and order, little more measures have been done. I agree with that. For that, agitation is not the only solution. The cooperation is the solution. The people have to cooperate with the government. The people who are doing peaceful agitation, nobody will attack them. First of all, people have to keep it in mind. When they defy the law and order, when they go out of control, the government has to control them. It is the duty of the government. If something happens to them in the melee, who is responsible? The government is responsible.
The proper solution would be not extreme, but it is a solution. It is not a solution. It is just for a momentary. And for permanent solution, the law should be enacted and safety should be given to women. And the main solution for this is no rules, no regulations, but the people who are standing, the men, those who are standing here, they should in a sense understand, realize the seriousness of the situation and spread this message all over. Then I think 50% of the problem will be solved.
मैं उनको छुड़ा रहा था। हुआ क्या था? कुछ नहीं, वहाँ पे कुछ लोग पुलिस को प्रोवोक कर रहे थे। हमने पुलिस वालों को रोकने को, उनको भगाया यहाँ से, रोकने की कोशिश करी, वो पीछे से किसी ने, पुलिस वाले ने मना करने के बावजूद कि हम लोग कुछ नहीं कर रहे। ये पुलिस करते हैं, बिल्कुल हम लोग कुछ नहीं कर रहे थे। कुछ बाहर से लड़के आए 3-4, उन्होंने पुलिस के ऊपर वहाँ से वो लोहे के डंडे वगैरह फेंकने शुरू, हम आराम से बैठे हुए थे बस सीढ़ियों पे, और हमने उनको रोकना कि हम इन्हें भगा रहे हैं, हम इन्हें पीछे हटा रहे हैं, हमने उनको पीछे हटाया, उनके पीछे नहीं भागे। जो वहाँ उन्होंने बैठे थे, लड़कियां बैठी थी, हम लोग बैठे थे, 2 पुलिस वालों ने मेरे को मारा और ये करप्ट है, पुलिस के खिलाफ सख्त कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए।
Rhythm sentiment is rather very clear, and one thing only they want: safety for women, a harsh law to come out. We are directly going to go to talk to all of those people. If I could just come to you first, and if you could just say, what is that you guys are standing for?
We are here for the justice because our law system is very dumb and that system is paralyzed right now, and that's why we do have to get up and let that system to get up and work for us.
What amendment do you think should be there? Harsher punishment?
Yes, obviously harsher punishment should be there. 10 years, just no way. Death, brutal death will be there.
All right, so death penalty, there are various suggestions that are in fact coming in, but the fact that something like this, a protest of this magnitude, Geeta, is happening right on the doorstep of the Indian Parliament speaks volumes, and this is something that the government really can't ignore at this moment. And this is something, a situation like this is definitely something that has gone beyond just tear gas shelling as well as, water cannons and lathi charge.